Shopify Prestige Theme Customization tutorial. So customized Shopify Prestige themes can help you create a unique and professional online store. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide to get started. So the first is to access the theme. So log into your Shopify admin panel, go to the online store section, then select themes, then click on the customize next to the Prestige themes. Then from there, start by customizing the header section. You can add your logo, adjust the navigation menu, and set up the announcement bar if you want. Then after that, use the drag and drop editors to add an arrange section on your homepage. You can include a slideshow, featured product collection, and more if you want. And after that, you can slightly adjust the theme settings. So for you to do that, go to the theme settings, tap on the change the color, font, and other design elements. You can also enable animation and other visual effects. And after that, edit the product page to include details, description, high quality image, and customer review. You can also enable it add to cart and buy now button if you want. Then after that, you can simply organize your product into collection and customize the collection page to make it easy for customers to browse. Once you're done with that, you can configure the footer. So add an important link, social media icon, and contact information to the footer section to make it more professional. And after that, you can now publish and preview. You can also preview before publish. So once you're satisfied with customization, preview your store to make sure everything looks good and easy to navigate. Then after that, you can now click on publish to make your store go live. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more content like this.